How to speed up a clip in CapCut on your Mac. So firstly, open your CapCut project where you want to speed up a clip and select that clip which you want to speed up. So make sure it's selected, and here in right upper corner area is the section speed, and here you can speed up your clip. So in this line you can, for example, click this arrow and speed it up like you want, so it will be quicker, or you can adjust this line to fit your exact speed which you want, but also you can set here the exact time how long the clip should be. For example, 3 seconds, press enter and it will be automatically calculated to that speed. If I change it, for example, to 2.5 seconds, press enter and also it will be calculated. You can also change here the audio pitch. You can enable it or disable it. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.